Hey, let me show you how you can install this screen protector on your Nintendo Switch 2nd generation. So first of all, just start from turning off the screen to see every mess that you have. As you can see in my case, there's actually a lot of fingerprints. So we have to actually remove everything, and in your box you should actually get those wipes, the wet and the dry one. Start from the wet for sure to remove all of these greasy marks and other things from the screen. So as you can see, that's how it looks. You have to also get the good lighting condition to see every mess, because if you lift something, if something stays on the screen and you apply glass on it, then it's not gonna look good. Next, go with the dry one. And right now we have to remove those wet marks. Okay, now you have to make sure that you also remove some pieces of the dust. So to do this, we have to actually use that sticker, the dust absorber. You have to grab that sticker like this, stick it to your finger, and now just go for every dust that is on the screen and take it off with that sticker. And right now we have to start from removing sticker from your protection. So do this like so. And now just start from one of the side. Let's do this, for example, from the left side. So make sure that you align it properly on the right corner, on the left corner. And if you are sure that everything is fine, you can just release the right part of your glass. There we go. And now all you have to do is just to simply swipe with your finger at the bottom or at the top, and as you can see, it goes almost automatically. For sure you can speed it up by moving like so. And now it is finished.